This video clip is going to explain to you how to view missing assignments and where to go to work on them. In Canvas, there are a few ways to know what you're missing. We can go to Modules and we can go to Grades. Let's first go to Modules. By clicking on Modules, you will see on the right-hand side, that there are red minus signs. The red minus sign is a clear indicator that the assignment was not turned in and is now considered late. Canvas marks anything that was not turned in on the exact date that it was assigned late. So if assignment was due August 25th and it was not turned in on August 25th, it is considered late. Does that mean your teacher is giving you late points? Not necessarily. That is based off the teacher's policy. When I click on the assignment, it will take me to the assignment itself and I can continue to work on it. If I click at Grades, I can also see a list of my assignments, and it clearly states to me in the middle, missing or late. That red circle is the same correlation to those red dots that we saw in the modules. When you're inside Grades, you can also navigate further by clicking on the missing assignment's name. When you click on the missing assignment's name, it takes you to the assignment up here at the top. Click on the name again. Now you're in the assignment and you can turn in your work. That should take the guesswork out of missing work.